So good morning everyone. So today is December 24. So I'm on duty before Christmas. I'm assembling the box. So this is for takeout orders. This is how I assemble this one. So this is the box. Preparing for the takeout orders. This is how to make a box. Assemble. Since I don't have Christmas presents, did not receive any gift from Christmas, so I will be preparing for a box for the takeout orders. So I am now in the kitchen, and I'm in the function room. Since this afternoon we are still quite busy, but I'm making a box, assemble the box. And now this is the finished product. Look at. So this is the box. This is how we do it. The box. Oh, look at the box. Is it nice? This is for one Pyrex box. Disposable box. Lots of box. Then I'm also ready. I have the chef talk when I will be going to the kitchen. This is my chef talk. This is how I do it. So I'm ready for the kitchen.
Ay, hi ma'am.
Yes.
Pwede ko basahin sa tambal mo?